Segment is sponsored by You Move Me. Moving can be one of the most stressful moments in our lives. There is so much to do, but Numi with You Move Me is here to give us packing tips so our next move isn't such a hassle. Numi, great to see you.
Thank you. It's a blessing to be here.
Oh, we're so excited to have you. Okay, what are some packing tips you have for our viewers? Because I know there's a lot, but do you just have a couple?
Yeah, just typically it's just you want your box to be solid. You want a solid foundation. So, have some heavier things at the bottom. Have that solidify the bottom of the box. That way it ain't crushing. And then lighter, loose items on top of that.
Okay, and does that go into my next question, why we should avoid mixing items in our box?
It is. So typically in one room, try to pack everything in that room in that box. Don't find something from the living room and put it into that room. It's more helpful for unpacking.
Okay, so have like each room maybe in its own box, so you're not mixing and matching. Okay,
That's
it may
correct.
seem obvious, but why should we label our boxes, Numi?
Labeling boxes, again, it's another way to help you unpack, and so you know exactly what contents are in those boxes. If you can find something a lot faster, your essentials, labeling whatever's in that box has to be on that box.
I feel like it's that first night, right? When you get there and you're like, okay, where are the paper towels? Where's my toothpaste? You don't know where anything is. So especially like your first night box, make sure that that's labeled, right?
That's exactly right. Otherwise, you're going to have to unpack everything to try to find what you're looking for.
It's going to take a minute. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so why should someone hire you, You Move Me, to help them on their next move?
The biggest thing is just, trying to eliminate a lot of stress for people. A lot of people would move and then find out on the back end that, man, why did I even do this? Just find a crew, a guy that you can trust who can help you move. It'll help, relieve a lot of stress on your end. That way you don't have to worry about it.
That's so true. Well, and I've done moves with and without, and it is absolutely, to me, necessary to have movers. It just makes the process so much more simple. And nobody wants to help you move. Let's just be honest for pizza, right? Nobody wants to do it. Let's just be honest. Okay, is there anything else that we should know about moving?
Yeah, just, preparation is the biggest thing. Regardless if you hire movers or not, the biggest thing is if you do go with us, be prepared. Have everything boxed up. If not, we will do that the day before, pack everything up. That way on the second day, it's just a matter of moving things out.
Okay, so make sure you have everything, if you can, in boxes, ready to go. And if not, you can help people. If they want you to help pack, you can do that.
That's correct. We can do that.
Okay, and what about driving out of state? If people are moving out of state, do you do that too?
Yes, we do a lot of long distance runs. Again, a lot of people don't want to drive their things over there. They'd rather fly, spend a 2 or 3 hour flight, whatever it is, rather than 30 hours on the road. So we do those long distance trips.
You're helping people maybe be less stressed. That is the key here, and saving time, right? Where can we go for more information?
YouMoveMe.com is probably your best bet. Find a lot of information there, contact information, pricing. But just go on your website, YouMoveMe.com, can help you out.
Okay, perfect. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the tips, Numi. Great to see you.
Appreciate it. Thanks for having me.